dear audience and global partners. Good evening. As a proposed global trade forum, I'm really happy to inform all of you the regional connectivity, interconnectivity, comparison, and the present scenario is a part of not only Southeast Asia but also global. A comparison between Bangladesh land ports managed by Bangladesh Land Port Authority (BLPA) and Indian Land Ports, primarily integrated check post (ICPS) managed by Land Ports Authority of India (LPAI), along with numerous land customs station (LCS). Number one, total number of land ports oblique facilities. Bangladesh approximately 24 declared land ports, including those elevated from land custom stations. Out of these, roughly 12 to 17 are actively operational or functional, with several smaller ones remaining limited or under review for closure or inactivity. India over 122 notified land custom stations (LCS) across its land borders. Of these, around 12 have been upgraded to modern integrated checkpost (ICPS) as of recent data. Subsources cite 9 fully operational with more under development. India plans to expand to 23 to 25 ICPS, many additional LCS functions with basic infrastructure. Key difference. Key difference. Bangladesh has a more consolidated but a smaller set focused on its 2,400-kilometer border, mostly with India. India managed a much larger network due to its intensive 15,000 plus kilometer land borders with 7 neighbors. Number 2, government versus private operations. Bangladesh. Government operated directly by BLPA 7 to 12 major ons for example, Banapol, Borimari, Akhaura, Bhomra. Private operated under build operate transfer BOT model. About 5, for example, Sona Masjid, Hili, Banglabandha, Teknaf. The government is pushing further privatization for efficiency. India. ICPS and most LCS are government managed by LPAI under Ministry of Home Affairs in coordination with Customs, CBIC, Border Security Force, and state authorities. Private sector involvement is limited at land ports, unlike seaports where PPP public private partnership is common. Operations remain largely public with infrastructure development sometimes involving contractors. Key difference. Bangladesh has more explicit private sector participations via BOT concessions. India's model is more centralized under government agencies. Now, 3, ports under construction and or development. Port under construction and or development. Bangladesh several existing ports are under upgradation or expansion. For Tamabil, Akhaura, Banapul, Bhomra, Burimari. With all bank ADB support, focus in on infrastructure like cargo terminals, warehouses, and connectivity rather than many new greenfields ports. Some declared ports remain a basic LCS stage. India. Multiple new or upgraded ICPS are in pipeline or under construction. For example, in West Bengal, Changraganda, Gozadanga, Hili, etc. Also along Bhutan and other borders. Goal is modern facilities with integrated customs, immigration, quarantine, and passenger amenities. Many LCS are also being evaluated or upgraded. Both countries emphasize modernize over sheer quantity, but India has a more ambitious expansion target for ICS. 4. Scale, trade volume, and strategic importance. Scales, trade volume, and strategic importance. Bangladesh flagship Banapol paired with India's Petrapol is the busiest, handling the bulk of India Bangladesh trade, often 70 to 80% of land trade. It is one of the largest land ports in South Asia for cargo movement. India's flagship Petrapol. West Bengal is the largest and busiest ICP, handling a significant share of India Bangladesh trade export from India's side. Other key ICPs include Atari, Pakistan, Rexual, and Jogbani, Nepal, Agartala, and Sutarkandi, Bangladesh, Mori, Myanmar. Overall trade context: India Bangladesh bilateral trade is around 10 billion plus USD annually, with land ports, especially Banapur Petrapur, playing a critical role. India's land ports also facilitate trade with Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, and Pakistan. Also, Bangladesh land ports mainly serve India with limited Myanmar connectivity. Forex Technap. Key differences: Petrapol Benapol pair dominates bilateral trade. Indian ICPS handle border regional connectivity BBIN etc. While Bangladesh focuses heavily on major corridor. Number 5. Revenue generation yearly. Exact consolidated figure are fragmented customs duties versus port fees. But there is a here is a comparative view, such as Bangladesh land ports generate modest revenue compared to seaports. For Chittagong, total port related revenue, Balpa fees, royalties was historically in the range of low hundreds of crores taka. Benapol and others contribute significant but often face shortfalls due to trade fluctuations. Customs revenue NBR adds substantial more. India specific yearly revenue for all land ports ICPS is not as prominently aggressive aggregated as seaports. LPAI facilitates trade or tens of thousands of crores annually. Thousands of crores annually. India's. In recent years, land ports or ICPS supported trade volume in the range of 80,000 rupees crore plus on average per year across key facilities. Point to be noted, rupees 18,000 crore plus rupees per year across key facilities. Individual high volume points like Petrapol contribute heavily for context. India's major seaports generated much higher income, forex 24,000 crore rupees total income of financial year 2025, showing land ports play a smaller but vital regional role. Key difference: both generate for less than seaports. Revenue in Bangladesh is more concentrated in a few ports like Banapur. India's is a spread it across a larger network but is still secondary to maritime ports. Challenges like procedural delays affect collections on both sides. Number six, infrastructure efficiency and challenges. Infrastructure efficiencies and challenges. Bangladesh. Many ports suffer from congestion, limited multimodal connectivity, and infrastructure gaps. Ongoing project aim to improve this. Privatization is seen as a solution for better operations. India. ICPS offer more integrated modern facilities such as customs plus immigration plus security in one place. However, some still operate near or over capacity with issues in truck movement. EDI system and coordination. India has pushed digital initiative and infrastructure upgrades more aggressively in recent years. Broader needs. Bangladesh needs focused upgrades on 8 to 12 high potential ports plus better integration with regional corridors like BBIN SASEC. India aims for 23 to 25 qualities ICPS to handle growing regional trade, reduce logistic cost, and support transit, for example, Nepal or Bhutan. Anyway, summary. We may summarize India has a larger and more diverse network of land border facilities with a stronger emphasis on modern ICPS and regional connectivity. Bangladesh has a more concentrated system, heavily dependent on the Banapol Petrapol corridor, with greater private sector involvement is operations. Both face similar challenges, congestions, procedural delays, but are investing in upgrades to meet growing trade demands. The Banapol Petrapol pair remains the most critical link for bilateral trade between the two countries. For the absolute latest official numbers refer to BALPA, Bangladesh, and LPA or CBIC India annual reports as figures evolve with new project and policy reviews. It's just primary ideas for our regional on-site connectivity and trade volume, not policy reviews, policy expression. I will further, of course, review and many more as per our demands. Here, our means global trade partner. Thank you so much.